Welcome, genius! Are you ready to play Funny Riddles Level 2? Let's begin. What month of the year has 28 days in it?
That's funny!
All of them. What can you put in a bucket to make it weigh less? Hole. What gets shorter as it grows older? A candle. Which fish costs the most?
Oh no!
A goldfish. What's always found on the ground, but never gets dirty? A shadow. What is at the end of a rainbow? The letter W. What building has the most stories?
That's funny!
A library. What gets wet while drying? A towel. What has branches, but no fruit, trunk, or leaves? A bank. If an electric train is traveling south, then which way is the smoke going? There is no smoke, it's an electric train. What type of room has no windows or doors? A mushroom. What is something that belongs to you that everyone else uses? Your name. There is light in, it's the only place I can live. If light shines on me, however, I will die.
That's funny!
A shadow. What has to be broken before you can use it? An egg. What is something that you can hold without using your arms? Your breath. What has a single eye but is unable to see? A needle. A is B's father, but B isn't A's son. How? B is Jose's daughter. If your uncle's sister is not your aunt, then who is she to you? Your mother. Two fathers and two sons are in a car, yet there are only 3 people in the car. How? They are grandfather, father, and son. What gets broken without being held?
That's funny!
A promise. How many questions did you answer correctly? Please type in the comment box. Please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next interesting game. Thanks, genius.